Hi, this is Mark at Dingdong's Garden. This is Emperor Francis Sweet Cherry. It's more bright red than some of the varieties that are ripening around this time, like Bing and Stella and Black Gold, and it has a lighter taste to it. There's still some here that are not quite ripe, but they're still edible. They're still sweet, still edible, but it just doesn't get that deep red and more dense flavor that the other varieties do. Emperor Francis isn't commonly used for production, so you don't see it very often, and that may be why it's got quite a wide range of ripening dates. Some of the literature I've seen ranges from that it will ripen at the same time as Bing up to a week later. So it hasn't really been nailed down on when it will ripen, but it's certainly a mid-season cherry. Let's taste a couple here. So first, the lighter one. It's just a lighter cherry than some of the others, like Bing and Kristen and Van. This is a lighter tasting cherry. It's got a white interior, and this is the one that was kind of lighter on the outside, but let's take a look at one that's a little darker. Not much difference in taste. Emperor Francis is not self-fruitful, so you would have to put a tree that blooms around the same time that's also compatible next to this tree if you were to get it. So we have a lot of different types of cherry trees here, so I'm not sure which is the best of ours that's pollinating it, because a lot of them they'll cross-pollinate between a lot of different varieties. This is Emperor Francis cherry. It is very productive, and it's a light tasting cherry that ranges in color between a blush to a bright cherry red. And it's got a white interior, and it comes in around the same time as Bing or a little after.